Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to design a modern logo design using the polygon tool. Make sure watch to until the end of the video, and don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ask me anything in the comment section. So let's get started. Select the polygon tool. Click. Take the radius around 100 pixel. And side 6. Click OK. Change the fill color to stroke color from here. Now select this. Hold Shift and rotate. OK, now select the line segment tool. Draw a line from this anchor point to this anchor point. One more this to this anchor point. One this to this. One more this to this. And this to this. OK, now select all and go to the Shape Builder tool. Select a color from here. Now click and drag to join this part. Now hold Alt and delete these extra parts. Again with the line segment tool. Draw a line from this anchor point. After that select these two shapes, and go to the Pathfinder. And divide. Right-click on the mouse. And ungroup. OK, our shape is divided. Now we have to color the logo. OK, now hold Shift and select these two shapes. And go to the eyedropper tool, and pick this color. Now select these two shapes and pick this color. Select this and pick this color. Select this and this color. Now select this, and go to the gradient tool. Adjust the gradient way you want. Press G to gradient tool, and adjust the color. After that, select the pen tool and draw a shape from here. OK, select this and select black color. And reduce the opacity to around 25. OK, now select this. Right-click, go to the transform. Reflect and copy. Hold the shift and place it like this. Perfect. One more from here. And reduce the opacity to around 25. OK, now select this. Right-click, go to the transform. Reflect and copy. Hold the shift and place it like this. OK, our logo design is complete. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then definitely don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.